Why does the moon change shape? Have you ever looked at the moon and thought, wait, yesterday it was round. Did someone take a bite out of it? Let's find out.
Mom, the moon is broken.
No, Arav. The moon isn't changing shape. It just looks like it is.
But how? The moon doesn't make its own light. It shines because of the sun. As the moon moves around Earth, different parts of it get sunlight.
Sometimes we see a tiny slice. Half moon.
Full moon. It takes about a month for the moon to change through all its different shapes in the sky. This repeating pattern is called the moon cycle.
See how the flashlight lights up the ball, just like the sun lights the moon. The moon doesn't change shape. We just see different parts of it lit by the sun.
Pretty cool, right? Comment, like, share, and subscribe.